See, this one needs to wash. Time to change it. This is what I do at home. Decorate my own house with all crochets. Yeah. Now we're gonna do is the part 2 one. I didn't put any chain anywhere. You can start anywhere you like. This treble clef consider 3, so do 3 chain and then extra 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's the design. Double crochet, we're gonna do double crochet and 4 chains. This is 2 and this one is 3. I did 7 in a row. So now this is the second part. I'm going to show only this corner only. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hook on here, double crochet like that, then double crochet, first I just put in like that and it doesn't look nice, so take the middle part here and do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet. See, 4 chain, then double crochet, and a double crochet. Count this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you poke it right in the middle. There, this double crochet is there. Got 8, isn't it? So poke it right in the middle. Like that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and double crochet on the same, so it looks like V, 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 V. And here we do double crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet on the same loop like that, then 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet on the same loop, so it looks like that. Then double crochet, same thing, count 1 double crochet here, 2, 3, 4, so poke it on the 4th, right in the middle here, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go here, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, corner is like this, okay? So go one round like that. Then I'm going to show a second round. This second round, not yet. I'm still doing first round. Okay, now I'm going to do second round. Second round is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like same pattern, like that. Then double crochet here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet, then double crochet here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next one, like that. Then double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, then we go to this part, this corner, double crochet, then 1, 2, 3, 4, same hole, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, same hole, like that. So the corner is, you have to do like that. So double crochet on this, then 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the next one, next chain, then a double crochet, go to the next, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, came out, then double crochet, that's the way to go round, okay. Next round is all double crochet. This is 3 chain ready. Do 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because here, and then next one here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here's a 5. 5 ready. Now 1 2 3, this is the corner, then here 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that you should go around the same thing. Now I'm going to do a shortcut way just to show you. Next round is I'm just going up, so for you to show the corner part, I have to show you. Then you understand what I'm trying to say. Here, this hole, put 2, and then 1 2 3, then go 2, then 1 1 1, like that. Keep going, and then after all one round finish, and then single crochet all of them. Single crochet is this: 1 chain, single crochet. That's the last part, like that. Now I'm going to make a loop from here to here, so I can fit my railing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then go back 1 2 3 4 4, like that. No, slip stitch and a slip stitch next one. Then do single crochet 21 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. The 20, don't finish it up to poke out this, and done. So let's see it fits in to put in here. Yeah, it fits. I want to do some hanging long thing like strips at the door, so I'm going to do bubbles. 3 and then 1. This one, leave it. 1 2 3, then go. Oh, my eyes so bad. Then we do again like that. Now then 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do this. Do the next one like that. Then we want to go back up again. 1, 2, 3. This is just a short one I'm doing. I'm going to do longer than that. Then like that, another slip stitch, and then go 1, 2, 3, join this, another slip stitch, and then 1, 2, 3, then join this. Then keep going to the next one. I'm going to do a bit far apart, not very far, say 1 inch, maybe 1 inch or 1 cm, like that, this far, and then keep going like this. 1, 2, 3, ready? So like that. You'll go somewhere like that. So it's done. I put less of this because you know what, I don't have enough beads to hang it, to let it pull, so it will be hanging nicely. So I have less, and I use my sister's dancing bells. Doing fine? Yeah. Looks good. I didn't go out to go get more beads or what to hang it. But I think this is enough. I think the next one I will do it more.